Where did all the cars go? All my cars are gone. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, I have an empty driveway. This is a rare sighting. All my cars are gone. They're all in for service at the same exact time. You want to know why they're gone? Well, the Lexus had a broken windshield. Not the greatest feeling in the world. Big, lengthy crack on the windshield, right in my line of visibility. So that had to get done. Mr. Glass out in Long Island is going to take care of it. He's done a lot of glass for me in the past. It's going to be subletted through VNS Motor Service. So all that is going to get taken care of. It's going to be a beautiful thing because it looked like my windshield was sandblasted in the past because of just road debris and stuff like that. And I do drive the car a lot. It is a car that I take from Queens to Brooklyn to Staten Island. It is a car that gets a lot of work. So it is finally going to be addressed. I'm going to have a brand new windshield. It's going to feel like a brand new car. So that's in the shop, waiting for glass, waiting for the glass to be programmed because there's a lot of computers and a lot of intricate systems that need to be playing with each other. Computers need to talk to each other. Let's get to the 911. The 911 is in fact in the garage, but it is inoperable because the drive pulley for the fan that drives and spins the fan, well, that is an age-old part and it is now in need of replacement. Something that happens to old cars. Little parts like that just need to be replaced. So we're going to take care of that. That part is coming next week because it has to be ordered from Porsche. I do want all Porsche original parts. My mechanic, he's doing an in driveway service for me, so this is going to be great. I don't even have to move the car. He took the part with him so he can get the exact part number. He's got the VIN number, the serial number, so everything is going to be ordered next week, and I'm looking forward to that because I definitely want to drive that car. The weather's getting nice, and I want to be able to take that car out for a spin. Plus, I did not want to get stuck in that car in the middle of nowhere, because I do drive that car to the Catskills and back or wherever. It's a driver. So you may be wondering, all right, well, Alex, your Lexus is in for glass. Your 911 needs a new pulley for the fan or whatever it is to drive the car. And where's your Land Rover? Well, today I had to drop it off in the Bronx because
A gun.
the Land Rover actually needs AC. The car is driving well, knock on wood, because you just never know with a Land Rover. So the Land Rover is driving really well, but it is extremely hot. And with the weather getting nicer each and every day, I want to make sure that car is, I want to be able to sit in the car without sweating a ton. So I brought that car to British Auto Works. They're taking care of it. They know what they're doing with Land Rovers and stuff. They only work on Land Rovers. So it's cool to see a shop that just specializes in that. I used to bring my old Land Rover to them way back in the day when I had a Range Rover Classic. I sold it to get the 911, so that car is now in for an AC service. So the car that I'm stuck driving, well, not stuck driving, I do enjoy this car, is my mom's old 2004 Nissan Pathfinder. A nice little car that just always works. The only thing that takes out a VQ 35 engine is the body around it that rusts. And there's a little bit of rust on the car that I will address at a later time, but the car doesn't get driven that much, but when it is here, I do like to use it. And that car is actually parked on the street. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the update on all the cars. I should be getting the Lexus back sometime soon whenever the glass arrives. So whenever the glass arrives, it's going to be installed and then they're going to program the windshield. The 911, I have to wait till next week because that pulley doesn't get here until next week as well. And the Land Rover is probably going to be the quickest car to service out of all of them. That car is going to come soon, probably tomorrow morning. I'm going to go pick it up. They were working on it today when I dropped it off in the afternoon. I don't think it's going to be an expensive service because they just have to make sure that the AC lines work, that the compressor works, and anything that needs replacing, they just need to, add the Freon and see what happens. I think it's going to need a little bit more than just Freon because it may actually be leaking. We don't know. We're going to find out. They're going to diagnose it. They're going to figure it out. They're Land Rover people. They know what they're doing. And what else? I think that's it. I'm going to drive this Nissan Pathfinder and go get some food. I'll see you guys later. Take care. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and you'll stay updated on all the future videos coming your way.